Got Jim here today, trying to get the rest of this tree that fell from the ice storm out of the way, broken off at the root. There's someone coming to deal with the tree, but they won't deal with the roots, so the tree's half broken and right at the edge of the water, so I believe the plan is to try to snag or knock this tree over some more, so partially pulls out the root. The root's moved a bit, but it's a big one. So here's the tree that toppled over the driveway during Christmas, the ice storm after Christmas there. Partially torn, the root. It's right up against the water here. So the hope is, Jim with the tractor, the 76 John Deere will be able to topple this over, get the root out of the ground some more, because this bucket attachment unfortunately is broken and the parts are no longer available for the 76 John Deere. So far he's been getting some movement on this tree, and hopefully get more of this root out of the ground for the tree service coming in to deal with the leftover of this poor tree. It was a beauty, but all the ice that was on the branches, it couldn't take the weight during the freezing ice storm over Christmas, so it gave out. Jim's taking another crack at it at another angle. Making some progress here. There we go. More of the roots exposed. Ah, you made quick work of it.
Good, eh?
Yeah. Didn't need your bucket after all.
Huh?
You didn't need your bucket after all.
No, see, the reason it wouldn't tip over was those pieces down there holding it from tipping.
Oh yeah.
Turned around and broke them off.
That was nice. That's going to be a lot less work to clean up now.
Yeah.
Nice work.